Hi, this is Karen Yu. Hanap nyo ba ay malinis, komportable at legit na staycation? Mag-message na po kayo. I-tour ko kayo sa aming Unit 351. So, Unit 351 is a minimalist one-bedroom big cut unit. Ayan. Ito ay may complimentary items. At hindi lang po yun. Ang pinakamaganda dito, may 2 windows overlooking ng swimming pool natin. May malaking TV at may minimalist design. Mabilis po ang wifi natin dito at ang bed setup ay 1 queen, 1 sofa bed at extra foam mattress. At ang pinakamaganda dito, of course, ang view. So if you want lower floors at may overlooking ng pool, then i-book po ang unit na to. So ano po pong hinihintay nyo? Book na. We have 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom units for you.